How to request files on Dropbox. So probably this side panel will be closed. So what you want to do is come here at the left hand side, click on show sidebar, and you'll see a bunch of different options right here. What you're going to do is come here and click on file request. Click on this. And what you can do is come here and click on a new request. So click on this option. Now you can explain what the title, in the title, what the request is for. For example, video editing project 1. And I can add any extra details. Please send in MP4 format, right? Now, here you choose the folder for your uploaded files. So basically, when you request files in Dropbox, this is the folder the user who you have requested files from will be uploading the files to. So it will be saved on this folder. If you want, you can come here and change this. But I only have this one right here, so I'll just go back. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and set a deadline with the Pro features. You can set a deadline, and then you can also go ahead and add a password, which is not really necessary right now for me. So I'll come here and just click on create, right? So here you can either share a file request via email. You enter someone's email address. Okay. You put that in right here, pioneer2713@gmail.com. You can add an optional message, or you can share the link as well by clicking on copy right here and sharing it with them, maybe on WhatsApp or Facebook or any other, tool. So come here, click on share, and we'll also send them an email. Let me go ahead and fix that. Now just come here and click on share, and the request has been shared with them. Now, when people upload files, it will come under this folder right here that says video editing project 1.